సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss acoustic grating and determine the velocity of ultrasonic waves in liquids. This is also in the shear method. So, first of all, acoustic grating. What is the acoustic grating? When ultrasonic waves propagated in a liquid, for example, this is the vessel. Take a small amount of water. So when ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid, ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid, then ultrasonic waves propagated in liquid, then so stationary waves are produced. When ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid, the density varies from layer to layer due to periodic variation of liquid. At right angles to the waves, the liquid behaves as a diffraction grating. That means diffraction grating. Such a grating is known as acoustical grating. So the density varies layer from layer. Some here so many layers in a liquid. The density varies from layer to layer due to periodic variation. So the wave touches this point and repeated. So periodic variation of liquid, right angles to the waves. The liquid behaves a diffraction grating. Diffraction means so this is the diffraction pattern. So diffraction pattern already we know that in ray optics in intermediate level. So that is the diffraction grating. So when ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid, the density varies from layer to layer due to periodic variation of liquid at right angles to the waves. Then the liquid behaves a diffraction grating. So the liquid produces a diffraction grating. Such a grating is known as acoustical grating. అంటే ద్రవము గుండా అతిధ్వనులను అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ వేవ్స్ను పంపిస్తే దాని యొక్క డెన్సిటీ ప్రతి లేయర్కి మారుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇలా మారుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ వేరియేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఆ వేవ్కి రైట్ యాంగిల్స్గా ఉంటుంది. అలాగే ఆ లిక్విడ్ డైఫ్రాక్షన్ గ్రేటింగ్ని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. డైఫ్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్ వివర్తనం. డైఫ్రాక్షన్ గ్రేటింగ్ని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. దీన్నే అకాస్టికల్ గ్రేటింగ్ అని అంటాం. జనరల్గా ఈ పద్ధతిని దేనికి ఉపయోగిస్తామంటే అతిధ్వనుల యొక్క వేగాన్ని కనుగొనటానికి కూడా ఈ పద్ధతిని ఉపయోగిస్తాం. ఈ పద్ధతిని మనము షేర్ మెథడ్ అంటాము. సో దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా కనుక్కుంటాము ఏంటనేది చూద్దాం. సో acoustic grating, when ultrasonic waves are propagated in a liquid, the density varies from layer to layer due to periodic variation of liquid at right angles to the waves. So the liquid behaves as a diffraction grating. Such a grating is known as acoustical grating. This is the acoustical grating. So this grating produces the by using of this grating determine the velocity of ultrasonic waves. In this method, the experimental arrangement consists L1, L2, L3. The experimental arrangement consists L1, L2, L3 lenses. Okay, slit O, collimator, monochromatic source of light. Yes, monochromatic source of light. Collimator L1, L2, L3 lenses, slit O. Glass tank, crystal, oscillator, telescope, screen. So this is the experimental arrangement of determine the velocity of ultrasonic waves by using acoustic grating. This is also shear method. So first of all, the experimental arrangement consists L1, L2, L3 lenses. Take 3 lenses, L1, L2, L3. So first of all, the monochromatic source of light, yes, collimator, slit O, glass tank, oscillator, crystal, telescope, screen. So these are all in order to arrangement, first of all, collimator, this is the collimator. Collimator consists monochromatic source of light. So this is the monochromatic source of light. Yes. Then first lens, this is the L1. Second lens, this is the L2. This is the slit O. First of all, we take the collimator. Collimator consists L1 lens, L2 lens and slit and monochromatic source of light. Then first of all, monochromatic source of light. Then next, glass tank, rectangular shape glass tank. this is the some another color. This is the crystal. This is the crystal. This is the oscillator. Total, this is the oscillator. This is the glass tank. This is the glass tank. The glass tank is filling with water. Okay. Next of all, telescope. Another lens. Another lens L3. Then you observe the telescope. Here screen. Here screen. So here totally this is the experimental arrangement. The experimental arrangement consists of monochromatic source of light. L1 is lens, L2 is lens, L3 is lens, and also slit O. Total the system is in collimator. This is the glass tank. This is the glass tank. Glass tank is fill up with water, and also crystal is placed in glass tank. This is the oscillator. This is the telescope. This is the screen. First of all, the working of this experimental arrangement. Then the monochromatic source of light. Incidence on the L1. Incidence on the L1 lens. The light travels along slit. Along slit. The monochromatic source of light incidence on the L1 lens. The light travels along slit O. Then the light also incidence on the L2 lens. Then this light passes as parallel beam. So first of all, the monochromatic source of light incidence on the L1 lens. The light travels along slit O. Then the light also incidence on the L2. Then the light convert as parallel beam, turns into parallel beam. That parallel beam passes through glass tank. So when the light passes through glass tank, so here this is the crystal, this is the oscillator. When the oscillator oscillates by using crystal, the ultrasonic waves are produced. Here the ultrasonic waves are produced. When the ultrasonic waves are produced in liquid, then the stationary waves are produced. Here stationary waves are produced. Nodes, antinodes. So at the time of produce the ultrasonic waves by using crystal, here stationary waves are produced. Then at the same time the light incidence on the glass tank, and also the light passes through liquid. So here the stationary waves are moving in this direction. So the light passes through this liquid. So this liquid behaves diffraction grating. So the light here diffracted by L3 lens. Then we observed in telescope. When we observed in telescope, here the diffraction grating is, we observed the diffraction grating pattern is we observed. So the phenomenon of diffraction, the light passes through some medium. Here in the liquid, these stationary waves behaves obstacles of this light. So this light produces this diffraction. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ కొలిమేటర్ అనే ఒక అమెరికన్ తీసుకుంటాము. అందులో మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ని ఉంచుతాము. ఈ మోనోక్రోమాటిక్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ అనేది L1 అనే లెన్స్ మీద పడుతుంది. L1 అనే లెన్స్ నుంచి పడిన కాంతి మళ్ళీ O అనే స్లిట్ నుంచి L2 మీద పడుతుంది. L2 మీద పడిన కాంతి బయటకు వచ్చినప్పుడు సమాంతరంగా గ్లాస్ ట్యాంక్ మీద పడుతుంది. ఈ గ్లాస్ ట్యాంక్ మీద ఈ కాంతి పతనమయ్యే సమయానికి ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఆసిలేటర్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ క్రిస్టల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ క్రిస్టల్ నుంచి అతిధ్వనులు ఉత్పన్నమవుతాయి. అతిధ్వనులు ఉత్పన్నమైన వెంటనే ఈ లిక్విడ్లో, ఈ ద్రావణంలో స్థిర తరంగాలు ఏర్పడతాయి. స్థిర తరంగాలు ఇలా ఏర్పడతాయి, శృంగాలు ద్రోణులు కింద ఏర్పడతాయి. ఇవి ఏర్పడినప్పుడు వాటర్ నిశ్చలంగా ఉండకుండా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు ఈ మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉన్న వాటరు, ఈ కదులుతున్న అంటే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్న ఈ ద్రావణము ఈ కాంతికి అవరోధముగా ఉంటుంది, అంటే యాబ్స్టాకిల్స్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ కాంతి అనేది L3 ద్వారా ప్రయాణం చేసి మనకు డైఫ్రాక్షన్ రేఖల్ని ఏర్పడుతుంది, అంటే వివర్తన రేఖల్ని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. అంటే ఎప్పుడు మనము ఇందులో టెలిస్కోప్లోంచి చూస్తున్నప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఈ వివర్తనం అనేది మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో నేర్చుకుంటారు, అలాగే మనం సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్లో కూడా నేర్చుకోబోతాము. సో this is the total experimental arrangement and working of experiment. So this is the experimental arrangement. First of all, the monochromatic source of light incidence on the L1 lens. The light passes through slit O. Then the light also incidence on the L2 lens. Then light turns into a parallel beam. At the time of incidence of light on the glass tank, by using oscillator and crystal, in the liquid ultrasonic waves are produced. When ultrasonic waves are produced in the liquid, the stationary waves are produced. Then these stationary waves like as obstacles of light. So this light travels along to L3, produces the diffraction pattern. That diffraction pattern observed in telescope. This is the experiment. Okay, first of all, okay, the light from a monochromatic source of light S is focused on the narrow slit O by lens L1. అంటే L1 నుంచి దీని మీద ఫోకస్ ఉంటుంది. ద లైట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్లిట్ నౌ passes through L2 which turns into parallel beam. Okay, this beam passes through ultrasonic cell. This is the ultrasonic cell and glass tank. Passes through ultrasonic cell. This cell consists of a rectangular glass tank containing the liquid. Okay, the crystal dipped into liquid, అంటే లిక్విడ్లో క్రిస్టల్ ఉంచుతాము, and is connected to oscillating circuit. Then oscillating circuit the crystal produces a ultrasonic waves. Okay, the waves are reflected from the wall and the waves are reflected. సో ఇక్కడికి పోయి మళ్ళీ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ స్టేషనరీ వేవ్స్, స్టేషనరీ వేవ్ ప్యాటర్న్. సో దిస్ ప్యాటర్న్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ acoustical grating. Now light emerging from cell is focused in the lens L3 can be seen through the telescope. So the diffraction pattern observed. the diffraction pattern observed. This is the total experiment. This is the totally experiment. So now we are determine the wavelength of ultrasonic waves. So first of all, diffraction grating. So here diffraction grating is D. Diffraction grating is D. So here so the light passes through some medium. The diffraction grating is produced because these are primary secondary wavelets. So diffraction produces this type. This is the theta. Here angle of diffraction is theta. The angle of diffraction is theta. So for nth order maximum is given by d sin theta equal to n lambda. This is the formula of the diffraction grating. So here lambda is the wavelength of used light. Monochromatic source of light. Okay. Here n is the n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, because d sin theta equals to lambda. This is the first order maximum. D sin theta equals to 2 lambda. This is the second order maximum. D sin theta equals to 3 lambda. This is the third order maximum. So d sin theta equals to n lambda. This is the nth order maximum. So the general formula is the d sin theta equals to n lambda. Then diffraction grating d equals to n lambda upon sin theta. This is the diffraction grating formula of the diffraction grating. But already we know that what is the velocity of the wave. Velocity equals to v equals to generally nu lambda. Already we know that v equals to nu lambda. Here nu is the frequency, lambda is the wavelength. But in this case grating case, here grating equals to lambda, wavelength. So v equals to nu n lambda upon sin theta. Here d equals to lambda. So this lambda is not equals. This lambda is the wavelength of waves. Okay. Here lambda is the wavelength of the used light. So here this is the diffraction grating. But in the determine the velocity of formula, velocity equals to nu lambda. Nu is the frequency, lambda is the here grating element wavelength. So nu into the from this formula n lambda upon sin theta. This is the v equals to n lambda upon sin theta. V equals to n nu lambda upon sin theta. This is the velocity of the ultrasonic waves in a liquid by using acoustic grating, and also this is the Scherr method. It's a very important topic.